स्पेस ऑफ माइंड जहाँ मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग मटेरियल नहीं आ रहा था मेरी तरफ।
ओके।
और जब मुकेश ने साहिल को मेरा नाम सजेस्ट किया और ये स्क्रिप्ट मेरे पास पहुंची, तब मैंने पढ़ा थोड़ा स्केप्टिकली
ओके।
and I started with the first episode and this was great. I said, wow, this is great. I hope it lasts. Second, third, fourth, and all the way to the end. And I was stunned how beautifully written it was. देखो ये सब्जेक्ट जो है वह चाइल्ड मोलेस्टेशन की बात है, इसके बारे में हम जितनी ज़्यादा बात करेंगे उतना कम ऐसा होगा, मेरा ये मानना है। जितना सोसाइटी सेंसिटाइज होगी इस मामले को लेकर के, जितना समझेगी एक परिवार के क्या गुजरती है, एक बच्चे पे क्या गुजरती है, बच्चा बच्ची जो भी हो, तो उसके बारे में बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
I have seen parents quitting their jobs and moving to a city like Bombay with a small child and depending only on that child to go and work and live on that money.
Three Idiots, Rang De Basanti, Golmaal, Life in a Metro, Dhol,
Those
Sky.
are milestones. Yeah.
भगवान ने बहुत कुछ दिया है, अभी तो there is no end to it ना।
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. You know, I watched the show and it was really very engaging. I mean, it was very intriguing from the beginning, from the first look of it, and the trailer and everything. And I finished 6 episodes at one go because it was that engaging for me. I want to know first thing first that when you guys read the script, were you also that engaged when you were reading it? Like, did you finish it at one go the way I finished watching the show at one go?
Actually,
did.
we did.
You did too, na?
I did too.
Oh gosh, it was. I was.
What a read.
See, I was in that space of mind जहाँ मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग मटेरियल नहीं आ रहा था मेरी तरफ।
Okay.
और जब मुकेश ने साहिल को मेरा नाम सजेस्ट किया और ये स्क्रिप्ट मेरे पास पहुंची, तब मैंने पढ़ा थोड़ा स्केप्टिकली
Okay.
and I started with the first episode and this was great. I said, wow, this is great. I hope it lasts. Second, third, fourth, and all the way to the end. And I was stunned how beautifully written it was.
Yeah.
And immediately I called up Sahil and I said, please, I have to be a part of this show.
Yeah.
And fortunately I could be, so yeah.
Yeah. What about you? Because eventually, if you ask me as an audience, my reaction to that, I can never forgive that character.
Vikram
Vivans.
Bajaj.
Vikram Bajaj.
Yeah, I mean, और shameless है इंसान, मतलब
देखो कितनी अच्छी एक्टिंग की है।
मतलब yesterday also I was telling him about this, कि I'm like, he's so shameless. He's like, कोई वो नहीं है. But your character, on the other hand, morally, it's very complicated character.
Yeah.
Very complicated character. What was there in your mind when, because as a performer also, script is one thing, but when you are approaching, there are certain things that you are gonna do as a performer to treat the character in a certain way, right? What are the things that you guys were keeping in mind when building the character? Few things that that as a performer, these are the things that you are gonna
See, as a performer, so obviously we give our 100%. There's no, there are no two ways about it. You got to be 100% present, and you got to do that.
Right.
But what happens behind the scenes is the rehearsal and the preparation.
Right.
So that was brilliant. That was like bang on. Our readings with the kids, our readings with other actors, with our director, with our writer. So when you get your foundation right now, then everything goes brilliant. So I think that base, the starting point, was the point where we all had to read and rehearse together and try all different kind of moods and things and go wrong, make mistakes, try something else. But because then after that, when you're on set, there are no chances for mistake. You got to give your 100% and stay true to the character that's been written.
The story is addressing a very serious issue, right? And it is not just about the environment at workplace, it also has a lot to do with parenting. I want to know how both of you are looking at it, because it has a huge social impact, the way you are raising your children, and also the because क्या होता है, कई दफ़ा ये भी होता है ना कि घर में आप जब देखते हो कि बहुत सारी चीज़ों को लेकर के बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम है, इन द सेंस कि फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम, दैट यू नो दैट इवन इफ योर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट स्पेलिंग इट आउट, यू नो कि लाइक यू नो ये चीज़ें हो रही है, तो यहाँ तक आप मम्मी पापा से पूछ सकते हो, इसके बाद आप नहीं डिमांड कर सकते. I think the child was also going through all those things, and so it was that way. It was very, very complicated. How both of you look at it, and being a part of such a story, how do you, what is your take on that?
देखो, ये सब्जेक्ट जो है वह चाइल्ड मोलेस्टेशन की बात है. इसके बारे में हम जितनी ज़्यादा बात करेंगे उतना कम ऐसा होगा, मेरा ये मानना है. जितना सोसाइटी सेंसिटाइज होगी इस मामले को लेकर के, जितना समझेगी एक परिवार के क्या गुजरती है, एक बच्चे पे क्या गुजरती है, बच्चा बच्ची जो भी हो, तो उसके बारे में बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ये शो ये करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, और हम सब ये बात करें इसके बारे में, ताकि जो प्रेडेटर्स है वो उनको चेतावनी मिल जाए कि ये कोई चुप नहीं बैठेगा, बोलेंगे और डंके की चोट पे बोलेंगे, और कानून अंदर इन्वॉल्व होगा, और फिर उनको जो सज़ा मिलनी है वो सज़ा मिलेगी.
Absolutely. What do you think?
Yeah, I feel the same. You see, it's also, it not only talks about sexual assault and molestation, but it also impacts it also puts light on a very strong subject about parenting. You see, parents, I've seen in this industry where they force their kids to act because unka naam ban jata hai. They become popular because of their kid. I have seen parents quitting their jobs and moving to a city like Bombay with a small child and depending only on that child to go and work and live on that money. I have seen it. And there are many such parents. So it's a very strong message for the parents out there to learn, let your child be. If the child is interested in acting or coming into this field, it's a different question altogether.
That's their wish.
That's their wish. That's their individual personality. That's their journey, their path that they want to choose. But parents who force their kids to come into this field, unka acha nahi hota hai. I've seen it doesn't end well because the kid becomes irritated most of the times. The kid doesn't want to be where the kid is, So imagine the childhood trauma the kid is going through. So it is very important that, parents realize all these things and don't force their kids into something that the kids don't want to do. And when you're noticing that your kid is actually not behaving normal, you address the issue, you confront, you ask, ki kya hua hai? A parent should become a friend of the kid. So that anything that happens to the child is not scared of confessing it to the parents. I think it is very important कि हर घर में ना ऐसी conversation हो. It is a little awkward, but it is better to talk about it than to suffer quietly.
I agree with you. घर में वो माहौल होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए.
That's
मतलब बचपन में हम लोग अपने दादा दादी को नहीं दादा दादी बोल रहे हैं, मतलब अपने पेरेंट्स को हम लोग I've seen in many families where the kids don't hug their parents or say I love you. They're shy. They're shy because parents have maintained that distance. अब जाके चीज़ें चेंज हुई है. अब हम अपनी मम्मियों को हक करके बोलते हैं आई लव यू, डैड को हक करके बोलते हैं. थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड, बट तब नहीं होता था ये सब. Yeah, so I think parents should become best friends of their kids.
Absolutely. Also, another thing is both of you started like when people started your journey as an actor. The phase was very interesting. Industry mein, that was a very interesting phase that the whole entertainment business was like and experimental work was also happening. It's not that abhi nahi ho raha hai, but उस time पे वो बहुत अलग सा हो रहा था, right? एंड पता है मैं ना रंग दे बसंती में आपका कैरेक्टर मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद था क्योंकि हर एक ग्रुप में वैसा एक बंदा होता ही था, वो तो आपको भी पता होगा. जो लूजर भी है लेकिन बहुत क्यूट भी है, क्यूट टाइप लूजर. And I think everybody must have told you, right? Like how inspirational character Jessie was.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
वो एक I'm sure कि वो बहुत overwhelming भी था शायद to an extent आपके लिए ना कि आपको शायद पता भी नहीं था कि इतना ज़्यादा हिट हो जाएगा.
नहीं तब किसे पता था कि इतना
हाँ.
बड़ा हिट हो जाएगा बट
हाँ.
यू नो द डे द शो केम ऑन है
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट डे इट वाज लाइक दिस इंस्टेंट सक्सेस ओवरनाइट सक्सेस आई वाज लाइक नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट बट मजा आ गया था
but since then there are very different kind of work you people have done and मतलब very choosy that way I can say like you know बहुत अच्छा काम किया है लेकिन very चुन चुन के काम किया है वैसा now because of the OTT I'm sure कि everybody is saying कि like the way experimental roles are being written but what do you think about the age representation on screen age representation because पहले क्या होता था कि like it's always like you know 25 years तक का ही वो जो एक age bracket होता था उसमें बहुत सारे वो दिखाया जाता था एक्सपेरिमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा होता था आफ्टर दैट इट्स वेरी जेनेरिक काइंड ऑफ रोल्स दैट यूज टू बी रिटन हाउ डू यू लुक एट दैट द चेंज and when I'm saying middle age I'm not saying कि like you know after 50 or after 60 but that you know from 30 to 50 का वो जो age bracket है वो बहुत generic writing हुआ करता था how do you look at that how do you observe the change
exciting times look at it in a very happy positive way कि भैया अब तो बहुत अलग किस्म की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आएगी जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे से पहले की जनरेशन को शायद वो मौका ना मिला था एज ग्रुप को खास करके 30 to 50 आपने जैसा कहा कि फोकस वहीं 25-20 के आसपास रहता था और उसी के इर्द गिर्द कहानियाँ बनती थी बाकी सब कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स तो अभी कहानियाँ इस एज ग्रुप को लेकर के ज़्यादा बनेगी और इवन ओल्डर एज ग्रुप्स बनेगी और यंग कहानी भी बनेगी क्योंकि इट्स जस्ट द मार्केट डिमांड्स थिएटर्स में पहले younger audiences used to go and watch movies so they had to cater to that kind of an
young love
audience
story type
and accordingly make content अब OTT platform पे there's a whole family watching so you can have a family kind of content you can have a content which appeals to couples between the age of 30 to 50 तो अभी options बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं राइटर्स के लिए और प्रोड्यूसर्स के लिए भी तो अच्छी बात है
but you think you are getting your dues considering the talent that you have
3 Idiots, रंग दे बसंती, गोलमाल, लाइफ इन अ मेट्रो, ढोल,
those are milestones yeah
भगवान ने बहुत कुछ दिया है अभी देयर इज नो एंड टू इट ना तो अभी कफस इतनी खूबसूरत ये सीरीज़ है मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी जिसको अच्छी ना लगे लगे अलग बात है आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस सीरीज़ and it's getting a lot of love of course but I'm just saying
you're
I
satisfied
want more but I am glad that you are asking me this question it reflects your love that you would like to see me more and you will see me more so much more in the coming time my 3 films are ready अभी इसी साल में अगर आ गई तो बोलेंगे भैया थोड़ा धीरे चलो
ब्रेक लो
कितना काम कर रहे हो बट अभी वो वी ऑल नो लॉकडाउन की वजह से काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें डिले हुई है काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स उनमें से मेरे भी कुछ 3 प्रोजेक्ट हैं जो डिले हुए हैं आने वाले समय में आ जाएंगे
अच्छी बात है what about you
You know, I also feel OTT has completely changed the narrative, you know, of Indian content. आजकल आपको सिर्फ heroine ऐसे नहीं दिखेगी that she's a damsel in distress and she needs a hero to protect and save her. Yeah, look at the women, look at the graph, look at the roles they are, you know, portraying. Mother, there's someone in a vardi in a uniform fighting. There's a you know antagonist like Tilotima Shom becoming a serial killer.
Oh yeah, that was a good show
crazy.
also.
मतलब women always needed these kind of chances to showcase their talent and now it is happening.
Yeah.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि एक हीरोइन है और एक वो है एक ब्लैक है एक वाइट है एक जैसे टीवी में होता था कि वो शी इज द प्रोटैगनिस्ट शी इज द एंटागनिस्ट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट एनीमोर व्हेन इट कम्स टू OTT there's so much more to explore. Young mothers, you know, young mother roles where they all are wearing uniforms and going to work.
yeah
So it's a very good phase. I'm very excited.
I'm sure but एक साथ में ये भी एक चीज़ है ना कि like when it comes to women's role especially do you think these days it's happening like the excitement is more in OTT content as opposed to film content
क्या हमेशा से ऐसे रहा you know women have played the protagonist on TV and a heroine in the on the big screen where you know the damsel is in distress, or either she's dancing around the trees or the hero is coming to save. But now the narrative has changed. When it comes to OTT, people are exploring, and all these beautiful women are getting their chance to showcase their talent. You know, ये मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि movies में होगा. बहुत कम बनेंगी ऐसी movies, but OTT is the medium, the platform to explore.
बट आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू नो द बिकॉज आप लोग बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि और एक फेम जब हो जाता है उसके साथ साथ आई थिंक एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आ जाती है. तो अभी व्हाट आर द पैरामीटर्स दैट यू हैव व्हेन इट कम्स टू saying yes to a story? I mean, this one तो obviously कोई भी इसको ना नहीं बोल सकता, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा, इतना मीनिंगफुल था ये स्टोरी. बट आई एम सेइंग कि दैट अपार्ट व्हाट आर द अदर पैरामीटर इफ यू हैव दैट हैज़ चेंज ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बिकॉज लाइक एक एक्सपीरियंस के साथ साथ जो इवॉल्व होते हैं.
यार आई थिंक एक्सपीरियंस के साथ ना चॉइस इवॉल्व होती है. समथिंग दैट वी हैवंट डन, वी लुक फॉर दैट. You know, something we haven't been a part of, we look for that. We don't look for similarities, and I think that's the best part about it. क्योंकि अगर similar roles करेंगे, then it will be so boring for us doing and for people watching us. So I think the struggle is to strike that you know, that role where you get to do something completely different from your personality and from what you have done in the past.
Yeah, I agree with her. Absolutely. That's the kind of material you generally look for. कि जो किया है या जो आप expected to do वो और वो ही unexpected कोई रोल करो आप, तभी मज़ा as an artist I feel. And more importantly, at different points of time, I feel differently about what I want to do. So just now for the coming 2 months, I might feel I want to do comedies, and maybe later I'll change my mind and I'll want to be a part of a thriller. So even I'm not in control of it, and I let my whatever external influences or internal feelings are, I let them play out, and at that time, whatever is something that I relate to, connect with, is what I like to do.
So what is the next challenge both of you are looking forward to?
Next challenge?
Yes, as an artist. The next
You
challenge.
see, right now though I'm very excited about Kafas, and my other 3-4 shows are ready for release.
Wow, can you tell?
I won't be able to right now.
Okay.
Focus is on Kafas. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to all the other shows which will be releasing, and every character and story is way different from one another.
How wonderful.
Yeah.
What about you?
Similarly, God has been kind. बहुत अलग अलग genres की 3 फिल्में रेडी है, जो मैंने कहा पहले आने वाले साल में आएगी. 2 तो they are meant for the OTT platforms.
अच्छा.
And 1 is meant for a theatrical release. So I don't know how the producers eventually take it forward. Only time will tell. एक सोनी पिक्चर्स की उमेश शुक्ला की फिल्म है, एक विनोद भानुशाली अनुराग कश्यप की फिल्म है, और एक अब्बास भाई मस्तान भाई की फिल्म है. तो ये 3 फिल्में हैं.
These names are saying कि like you know genre कितना अलग अलग होगा. Oh my God, I'm so excited about it.
Yeah, so am I. और I said ना, वो fortunately होता है ये कि सब अलग अलग genres की फिल्में आई है, और तीनों बहुत अच्छी फिल्में हैं, तो देखते हैं.
Okay, on that note, thank you so much for giving your time,
Thank you.
and it's a wonderful show. Keep doing the
Thank
good
you
work.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.